Here's a tutorial on how to add a tip in the point of sale system. Let's take a look at a brand new ticket. Maybe a reservation was made, they already paid in full, and then they're here at the facility and just spending money on soda, concessions, things like that. So let's call this Mary's Party, Mary's Ticket. We're going to add that ticket, and I am going to see that there has nothing been added to this ticket. So let's add a few things. Let's go to the concession stand, and they've made some purchases, and we can see this all line item on the right hand side. Let's say they had 5 Cokes and then maybe 7 drinks, and we can see a grand total of $48.72. You can also add, if they didn't make a reservation online and pay all the way through, maybe you guys just are creating reservations and allowing people to add axe throwing to there. So let's say that there were 4 people for axe throwing. You can see that these numbers will dynamically change grand total here. So they are done. They're wanting to settle up, and as a front desk employee, you would maybe ask, hey, who's the person that was assigned to you guys? You can go in here, ask the question, and then actually put a name to one of the employees. This is all going to be assigned during the user profile creation. When one of your employees is created as a user, they will be populated here to see their name. So we will assign Jordan to this ticket. There hasn't been any tip created at the moment, so what we're going to do is go into the discounts and add charge, and maybe there's a mandatory rate, or you just want to ask. If you're using our point of sale system, asking is what they have is going to be imperative. So we can do a percentage, and we can do, let's say, 10%, and we can add the charge, which will then reflect on as a line item on this particular ticket. So we can see $15.70 amount due. I'm going to select the payment, log credit card that's already on file here, and I'm going to make the payment. Now that has been made, ticket is complete.